how to turn on or off autoplay preview on Netflix account in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in Netflix homepage, you can see here the profile. So if you want to turn on or off the autoplay preview on this profile, okay, you'll have to tap the edit button on the upper right side on your screen and select the profile you want to turn on or off. So for example, I select the Chad profile. Okay, you can tap this. Here in Chad profile below, you can see the autoplay preview. And the autoplay preview is on. So if you want to turn off this, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned off. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And after that, okay, tap the done button on the upper right side on your screen. And tap again the done button on the upper right side on your screen to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off autoplay preview on Netflix account in your mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.